This video is just going to talk to you a little bit about completing study guides in science class. This is our first study guide of the year, so I just want to be sure to make a few things clear to you. First of all, the biggest thing, please use your notes and other resources to help you complete your study guide. The things that are presented on your study guide are all possible questions that you might see on the quiz that's coming up. So please take your time. Look for these answers if you don't know them already. There is no guessing that should be going on with this study guide. When you're done with the study guide, the sub will have a key that you can use to check your study guide. If you don't finish it today, that's okay. We can always check it tomorrow morning. But either way, when you're completely finished with the study guide, please be sure you check your answers with the key so that you know you've got the right information to study and not studying the wrong things. So this is kind of the basic setup of study guides that I provide for you. I do a lot of kind of organized columns and rows of things. So this first one is just root words. The first root word is bio. You're just going to type in or write in the meaning of the root word bio. So in this case, you would write life or living as the meaning. All of these root words can be found in our either chapter 1 or chapter 2 notes. Okay, yes, this is a chapter 2 study guide, but some of the items are review. This box here says global wind pattern, and this is based on that drawing. So there's a note up here to make sure you study your CAMI drawing. If you don't remember what we drew in there, go find it. It should be from last Friday. No, I'm sorry, the last Monday. It should be in your Google Drive as well. But anyway, looking through this, it shows you the first one is done for you. The polar easterlies happen between 60 degrees and 90 degrees north, as well as 60 degrees and 90 degrees south. The direction the wind goes is east to west. That's why they're called the easterlies, because it comes from the east. You can fill in the rest of this information based on that drawing. So, what is the name of the global wind pattern? Where does it occur? Between what latitudes? And then which way does the wind actually move? The rest of these boxes should be relatively self-explanatory. They work kind of the same way. What type of heat transfer? I've told you radiation. Tell me how radiation happens, and then give an example of it. So just real quick to review these concepts. Another important thing to note about study guides is the stars. And there's a little key up here. It says, when you see a star, that means that that question is going to be presented on the quiz as an extended response question. So you're going to have an extended response question about this topic once you find the answer for that. You're also going to have an extended response question about the 4 main functions of Earth's atmosphere. That's a chapter 1 concept. We've talked about this many times, so go back in chapter 1 and review those 4 things. Here's some fill in the blank. Wind always moves from areas of blank pressure to areas of blank pressure. These should be relatively straightforward. And again, reference your notes if you need to. Page 2 is very similar. These are a couple charts that you can fill in. Again, these just make it easy to find a word and then help you study what that word means. Here's some clouds. Use your notes. I know we didn't spend a lot of time talking about these. And then there's, again, some questions to answer. Okay, so make sure that you are referencing your materials to help you complete this study guide. When you are completely finished with both pages, check your answers. If you have any questions, email me and I will try to get back to you. I know I'm going to be gone for the next couple days, but I'll still try to get to your emails at night when I have some time. Good luck.